Hello everyone. So this question is 2 raised to a plus 2 raised to b plus 2 raised to c is equal to 148. We have to find the value of a, b and c, where a condition is given a is less than b and b is less than c. Okay, so let's start. Such questions always feel very tricky, but if you know some basic concept about the exponent, especially for the 2, then maybe you can easily handle these questions. For example, we know whatever the power for 2 raised to n, always number will be even. You need to learn this concept, the first and very important. Second, whatever the power of n, and if you add 2 raised to n plus 1, this will be odd. The second one, very important. Same way, if you subtract 2 raised to n and you subtract 1 from this, you get odd. So basically we have a 3 result. First, 2 raised to n always even, maybe n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. Second condition, if you add 1 in 2 raised to n, you always get a odd number. And same way for 2 raised to n minus 1, you always get a odd number. I hope this thing will be clear. Now, as we have a question, 2 raised to a plus 2 raised to b plus 2 raised to c is equal to 148. What we are going to do here? Just multiply by 2 raised to a and divide by 2 raised to a. Okay. Just leave this 2 raised to a as it is. 2 raised to a and multiply this 2 raised to a as a denominator for the all. Small mistake I have done. Now 2 raised to a plus 2 raised to b upon 2 raised to a plus 2 raised to c upon 2 raised to a. I hope you understand this system, है ना? So we have this one, 2 raised to a in bracket 2 raised to a upon 2 raised to a, 2 raised to b upon 2 raised to a, 2 raised to c upon 2 raised to a. Now 2 raised to a and this one, 2 raised to a and 2 raised to a both are same, they will cancel and the result will be 1. For this we know power and exponent. If a raised to m upon a raised to n is given, so the result is a raised to m minus n, this one. By using this identity, the value for this one 2 raised to b minus a, for this 2 raised to c minus a, okay, is equal to 148. Now it's time to make a factor for the 148. So 148 here, in this space we can write it 148 and start to divide by 2. I think 74, again divide by 2, 37. 37 is a prime number, so no further division. So we have a factor 2 multiply 37. So these are the factor for prime factor for 148. Just use it. 2 raised to a plus 1, 2 raised to b minus a plus 2 raised to c minus a is what? 2 multiply 37. Okay. Now this will be 2 raised to 4, sorry 2 raised to 2, and this will be 37. This side 2 raised to a, 1 plus 2 raised to b minus a plus 2 raised to c minus a is equal to this. Now if you see this number, so it is what? The multiple of 2 raised to a and the multiple of whole multiple of 1 plus 2 raised to b minus a plus 2 raised to c minus a is equal to what? 2 raised to 2 square multiply 37, means this value is what? Even, and this value what? Odd. So even, odd. Here this will be odd, this must be odd because this will be 2 raised to a, always even. Now compare both. It means even. 2 raised to a is what? 2 raised to 2. So a is what? When base are same, a equal to 2, the first value we get. Now this part 1 plus 2 raised to b minus a plus 2 raised to c minus a is what? 37. I hope you all understand this. Okay. Now, suppose we transfer this one that side, so 2 raised to b minus a plus 2 raised to c minus a is what? 37 minus 1. 2 raised to b minus a plus 2 raised to c minus a is what? 36. Okay. I transfer this one to that side, or you make a balance by the subtraction minus 1 from the both side. Okay. By subtract you can also get this value. Now 2 raised to b, you can write it again 2 raised to a plus 2 raised to c, you can always again write it 2 raised to a upon is equal to 36. As we know the value for a is what? 2. So 2 raised to b upon 2, the value for a is what? 2. 2 raised to c and 2 square. Why? Because a is what? 2. Now we get this one. Understand? Now what we have? 2 raised to b, 2 raised to b, 2 square means 4, 2 raised to c, 2 square means what? 4, is equal to 36. So 2 raised to b plus 2 raised to c, 4 is equal to 36. 2 raised to b plus 2 raised to c is what? 36 multiplied by 4. Again do one step. Now it's time to find out the b. So for b what we need to do? We just again divide and multiply this side by 2 raised to b. It means 2 raised to b upon 2 raised to b. In bracket 2 raised to b plus 2 raised to c is equal to 36 multiply 4. You can multiply it, you get the result as a 144. So 2 raised to b, this one will be same way. Now 2 raised to b upon 2 raised to b plus 2 raised to c upon 2 raised to b is equal to 36 multiplied by 4. Okay. I hope this step clear. Now 2 raised to b same way, and 2 raised to b, 2 raised to b will be cancelled. The result will be 1 plus 2 raised to c minus b is equal to 36 multiply 4. Okay. So we have 2 raised to b upon 1 plus 2 raised to c minus b. So this will be what? 36 multiplied by 4. Okay. Now we have this value. This is what? 2 raised to b, and this is what? When you find the product of 2 raised to b and 1 plus 2 raised to c minus b, the result is 36 multiply 4. So one very important step is here. 2 raised to b as it is, 1 plus 2 raised to c minus b. Okay. This 36 can be written as a 4 multiplied by 9. Why? Because I need to find out the odd number and even number in the factor. So 9 is what? Odd. These two 4 is what? Even. 4 multiplied 4 can be written as a 4 square, and 9 will be here. Actually the concepts is the earlier as I told you. The main concepts to find out the power for 2 raised to any power. So 2 raised to any power is always a even number. So just think this in your mind. This is what? Even. This always is even. This part will be what? Odd. Okay. This part will be odd. Now compare again. Even, odd, odd. 2 raised to b is what? 4 square. 4 square is what? 2 multiplied 2 square. It means what? 2 raised to b is equal to 2 square whole square. Okay. So 2 raised to 2 multiplied 2. So for b we have 2 raised to b is what? 2 raised to 4. Now base are same. So we get value for the b is what? 4. So we get A as a 2 and B as a 4. We get these two values. Now it's time to find out the C. Okay, I hope you understand this. For C, okay, so for C what we have? We have 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 C minus B is what? It's odd, so just use odd number. Now subtract minus 1, 1 minus 1 plus 2 raised C minus B, here also add minus 1, okay, not subtract. So 2 raised to C minus B is what? 8. 8 can be written as a format of 2 raised to C minus B is equal to 2 cube. Okay. Now C minus B is what? 3, because base are same. Power compare and both equal. Now just put the value for B. B is what? 4 is equal to 3, or C is what? 3 plus 4. So C will get 7. So we have A is equal to 2, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 7, which is according to question A is less than B is less than C, and we get these all value. Thank you so much for watching this video.